Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you know it. Say what's your price?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, welcome to it. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. As I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of today's video, today we are going to be doing a get ready with me. This is a look that I actually did on my Shein haul. A lot of you guys really loved it, so I was like, I got to give them a little tutorial. It's really beautiful, very simple, but still very glam. But it's a glam that you don't have to put like hours and hours of your time into. It's something that is quick. This video is done in collaboration with Sony, so I will be showing you guys my new camera, the one that I'm filming on right now. As you guys can see, the quality is up. So basically throughout the video, I'll just be showing you guys different features of this camera so you guys can get a feel for what this camera can do for you if you are a beauty content creator and if you're a vlogger, really any creator. But these are just the features that I feel like would really stand out to you as a beauty content creator. So definitely do stay tuned if you're interested in that. And without saying too much else, let's get straight into the unboxing of this camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Let's go. So let's get straight into the unboxing. As you guys can see, we will be unboxing the Sony ZV-1 as well as the camera grip that I got with it. So as I'm sure you can see, the first thing we find in here are the camera guides, and then following that we find the windscreen. Basically, it has a hot shoe that attaches to the camera and really helps the sound when you are in a windy environment. Then following that, we have the cable that you use to charge the camera battery, and then the star of the show, the queen that we've all been waiting for, the Sony ZV-1. As you guys can see, this camera is absolutely amazing for vlogging. It is so compact, and I love the fact that it doesn't have a detachable lens in this scenario because of the fact that it makes it so easy to carry around, put it in your bag. There's really no excuse not to be vlogging when you have this camera. As you guys can see, that top part is where you will go ahead and insert the windscreen, and the battery, as you guys will see very soon, is underneath the camera. As you can also tell, it does have a flip out screen that flips out to the side, which is also really great, and it tucks in as easily as it flips out. Alright, so next up we are getting into the unboxing of the camera grip. Now guys, this grip, or tripod as you guys might think it is literally so amazing. I was honestly blown away when I saw what it actually does for the vlogging experience. As you guys can see, it has a whole bunch of different buttons, and basically what happens is that you connect this grip to your camera via Bluetooth, and you're able to control a lot of features of your camera with this grip, which I find is really revolutionary. Honestly, to me, it's like a smart tripod. It's brilliant. As you can see, it holds really well, and it is really easy to move your camera around while it is in here. You have the photo, movie, can zoom in and out. It has awesome features, and what I didn't show you guys in this unboxing is that it does also come with the battery in the box, and all you have to do is connect the battery to the back of the tripod, and you are up and you are ready to slay the vlogging game. Straight into this get ready with me. As you guys can see, I'm using my Maybelline Babyskin Instant Pore Eraser to go ahead and prime my skin. And next up, we're gonna go ahead and take our Elizabeth Arden foundation, and we're gonna put that on the skin. We're gonna mix it with our Colorstay from Revlon. As you guys will know, if you've been on my channel long enough, one thing I'ma do is I'ma mix a foundation. Go ahead and check out the description box also, guys, if you would like to know the shade names for everything that I will be using in this video. we're taking a quick water break so that I can show you guys the background defocus feature on this camera. Basically, as you can see in the before, the background isn't too blurred, and in the after, it blurs out significantly. You guys will be able to see this a lot more clearly in the full get ready with me. And as you guys can see, we are moving on to our concealer. I'm actually using a concealer from Rimmel. It is very, very similar to my skin tone, and this is the first layer of concealer. Then next, we're gonna go and wait for that to dry and use our NYX concealer palette in order to contour our skin. I'm so sad, guys, that NYX is no longer here, because where am I going to get this product? As you guys can see, I've hit pan. My palette is looking very dusty, musty, and crusty. But you know what? Let's not mind that. Let's focus on the fact that I am contouring this face, the gods, child. Okay, so next up, we're going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. It's been sitting for a while. I know I never used to do this, actually let the concealer sit, but it makes so much of a difference. Like, the coverage it gives you is just better, and that's what we love. That's what we're here for. Next up, we're going to go ahead and use this L'Oreal concealer. It really doesn't matter which concealer you use, in my opinion. This is really just to give your skin a little bit more of a brightness. Just make sure that it is significantly lighter than the concealer that you used underneath. And this is what we're going to do to brighten up the skin, child. And also, just generally, after you've applied a base, your skin looks a little bit flat. So you need to give her a little bit of life, child. You need to get her looking good. Then we'll go ahead and take our Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray, set our face right before we get into the next feature of our camera. This is another really cool feature that this camera has. As you can see, off, low, and medium skin softening effect. Where have you ever, and when have you ever? Guys, this is honestly really dope. Probably not something I would use if I was doing a makeup tutorial, but maybe if you're doing a vlog and your skin isn't looking that great that day, you can just say soft skin mwah, on the child. Then next, you guys can see we are applying powder. I went ahead and used the Revlon Candid powder in order to set the places where I've highlighted. And then following that, I will go ahead and take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Espresso, and this is the color we use to set our contour. Now, I'm sure you guys saw I only cream contoured the sides of my face, but I will go ahead and powder contour my forehead as well, just to make sure we don't look too huge over there. Okay, we just need to rein it in. Although I don't feel like I have the biggest forehead, but I just also love that bronzed look. Again, because we are in winter, child, we need that. Then next, I'm actually taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to go over all the places where I've put that Revlon Candid powder, and this is literally just to add a little bit more color to those places. Then I'm taking a powder from Rimmel, and I'm putting that all over my face. This powder is the same color as my skin tone, so it really helps to even out my skin. Then next, we're taking another product from NYX that we will miss dearly. It is a blush. I don't remember the shade name, but I'll definitely leave it down below for you guys. But anyways, where y'all gonna get it? Because NYX left us, child. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Professional Super Setter from Benefit. As you guys will see, I love different setting sprays. Then I'm just showing you guys what I use on my brows, although I won't be showing you guys how I actually do my brows. If you guys want to see that, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Then next up, we're going into our Patricia Bright palette, and we're going to start off with the transition shade. This is a very light brown that I go ahead and add here. I put it just above my crease. Then I take this beautiful gold shade, and I literally, guys, you guys should know this by now, I hate cutting my crease. So all I do is dip this brush into the powder, and I basically just carve it out using the brush. And we are on to our next feature. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys the different creative styles. This is great for somebody who doesn't necessarily want to go the manual route and wants to find really, really cool and dope presets that they already have on the camera. You can also use this if you are vlogging. As you guys will see, there's a black and white feature that you can probably use if you want to go for something a little bit more creative. But I really love the fact that they have these pre-installed into the camera, so you don't have to play too much with the manual settings, because also not everybody has has the will or the time to learn how to do all of that. But as you guys can see, we're back to our eyes. We're gonna go ahead and use this brown shade. It's a dark brown, and I use this brown, guys, in most of my looks. It is so beautiful. I use that on the outer corner of my eye and a little bit in the crease, and this really just helps to deepen the eye look and ties it all together. This is literally all I do, guys, and it's everything. As you guys can see, it's giving what it was supposed to give. As I'm sure you guys have noticed, this camera also has a very quick focus and defocus, which I absolutely think is amazing. My old camera did not have the range or the ability or the capacity, okay? This camera does it so effortlessly and so beautifully. I also really love that for if you are trying to show products to the camera. As you guys can see, I am using a Rimmel mascara to go ahead and put mascara on my eyelashes. I really love this. It has a volume side and a lengthening side, which I feel like is really dope because it really suits whatever you're trying to go for that day. Then I'm going to use my Essence liquid ink eyeliner just to go ahead and put a line right above my lash line. This really just makes the eye look a little bit more intense, which is what we love to see. Next up, we're going in with our inner corner highlight. This used to be my signature, guys. When I used to do makeup on people when I was in varsity, everybody used to get this, and that's how you would know it's a ZX beat. Then we're gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter. I'm using my Maybelline bronzer palette. As per usual, there's nothing I believe in more than this palette, guys. As you guys can see here, I'm actually highlighting my Cupid's bow. A lot of people ask me, how do I get my lips to look so defined? And this is the trick, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and use that Maybelline Fit Me powder that we used to actually powder contour our face, to contour our nose, to get her snatched. As you guys can see, it makes a very subtle but important difference to your beat. Then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my nose and of course my brow bone, just to give my face that extra oomph. Okay, these small details seem small, but trust me, they're very important. Then we're gonna go on to our lipstick. I'm gonna leave all the details for every single lip product down below, guys, so please don't worry yourselves, I've got you. Also, guys, a really great tip if you don't have a nude lipstick is just to use that pink and then say concealer, and literally you'll see how much it makes a difference and gives you that nude look. I love the fact that I learned this tip, guys, because it changed the game for me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss on top just to give my lips that HD effect. And then, honey, we're done. We're done and we're gorgeous as per usual. Wow. Like a drum line buggy. I love it when you dive it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Miss Lover. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all. Alrighty, guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video and the little conversation we're having in between. I hope you guys are able to see how dope the Sony ZV-1 camera is, specifically if you are trying to create beauty content on YouTube, and generally if you just want to vlog. Go ahead and check out my last vlog. I did use this camera for the first time and I absolutely loved how the footage came out, and you guys loved it as well. The comments are saying, girl, the quality, it's gonna be quality. So thank you so much to you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, become a part of our little family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.